Hey guys, welcome to ViralsiteNewDemo demo. What is ViralsiteNewDemo Express? ViralsiteNewDemo Express is an all-in-one viral site builder that builds viral websites with automated self-updating content and get traffic in simple clicks. So now I'm going to log into the dashboard and show you how this powerful app works in few minutes. So I'm going to log in with my login details. So this is ViralsiteNewDemo Express dashboard, as you can see, and on the dashboard we have the stats where we see the number of sources where we get the content, the number of posts we have on our site, and the number of sites, because this is a cloud-based app that allows you to build as many viral sites as possible. So we have the menus here. On the left hand side we have the create new sites, which is where we create our sites, where we manage sites as well, and this is where we generate content. And then we have the monetize. This is where we monetize our viral sites with AdSense, affiliate products, Amazon products, e-commerce, and any form of monetization. You can always do that here, and this is where we get the traffic. So now let's get started. We're going to create our first site, and you see how simple this is. In just 3 steps we have a site. So when you want to create a site, we have access to tons of templates. So you just have to select any templates that you prefer and go ahead and build your site from it. So I'm going to just pick one and go ahead with it. Select the template, then you click on the next button. That's the first click, and then you need to enter the name of your viral site. Now you will have a subdomain on the main site, which means you don't have to buy a domain name and hosting for your website. But if you would like to have a personalized, you want to have this website on your own domain, then you can as well integrate your domain name under the settings. So for this illustration purpose, I'll just make use of this subdomain. So let me just give it a name. Let's say newsreel. You see that? So then click on save. That's the second button, and as you can see, in just 2 clicks we've been able to create our new site. You can view it to see how the site will look like. Although it will be blank, there won't be any information on it. As you can see, the site is blank. So it's time to start adding content to our website. So let's go back to this page. You come to settings. Settings is where you edit the SEO, the website title, the tags, everything about your website. You do that here. You can add form, you can add Google Analytics, you can upload your website logo, favicon, and set your time zone as well. You can also add your socials like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Vimeo channel, and all. And you can add custom CSS or custom JavaScript. So once you're done with the settings, the next thing to do is to go to content. Now you can create as many sites as possible depending on the plan you have, and you can delete any sites you don't want again. As you can see, the delete button. So I'll move straight to content in order to start generating content for our site. So before you generate content, you have to create categories and subcategories. So I'm going to go ahead and create a category now. You click on create new category. So you give the category a name. You select your website here from the drop down, because if you have more than one website it will appear here. So you give the category a name. So let's say entertainment. Then you want it to show in menu, sidebar, footer, mega menu, and home page. Select others. Then the keyword. Enter the keyword you want to use there. So done with that, you click on the save button. As you can see, save. So that's how to create your category. You can create as many categories as possible. You can create another one. Travel, as you can see, appear everywhere. The keyword travel, location. You enter the description and you click on save. Now we have to subcategories, so you can create as many as possible. You can always edit and also delete. So the next thing I'm going to do is to create the subcategory. So you come to subcategory, and then we create our subcategories depending on the type of website you want to build, either a general site or a niche site. So the subcategory, I'll select the site, then you select the category. For entertainment, let's say Hollywood news. You see that? So I want it to appear in all the menus and footer as well. Then the keyword Hollywood news. Same thing, just copy and paste here and click on save. So I have that subcategory. You can also create subcategory for the other category, which is travel. So I'll select travel here. See that? Here. You click on save. So now we've created our categories and subcategories. The next thing to do is to start posting content. Now there are two ways to creating content on your site. You can create it automatically using the sources, and you can create it manually by writing your post manually. With these sources, you have access to over 1,000 sources where you can get news, top websites in the world where you can get news to your site on complete autopilot, and you can also rewrite it using our spin module. So it will spin the content to make it look unique. Now there are type of, you can see we have default feeds whereby you can select the feeds type that you want, or you can actually put your own feeds manually. If you have a particular site you want to use, you enter the feeds here. So if you want to make use of the over 1,000 feeds that we have, you select the feeds you want. If it's YouTube, you select YouTube, then you search by keyword. Can you see? So you enter the keyword here, then say vacation, then the number of posts you want to add to your site. If you want 100 posts, you add it there. If you want 20 posts, you add it there. So automatically the software will fetches those videos and post it on your website. So let's say I want 10 posts on vacation. The next thing, I'll move to the category. You select the domain, then travel, vacations. Can you see that? Fetch full content, then automatically spin so that it can rewrite the content to make it unique, and also to auto update so that anytime there's a changes on the content from the original site, it auto updates on your site, and it's going to show post source and credits to avoid plagiarism or any issues with content. So once that is done, you click on the save button and you're good to go. The content is being added automatically. If I go to our site, let's refresh. Let's see, let's go to travel, vacations. You can see we have content there automatically. Can you see that? So you can add as many sources as possible. If I want to create a new source, I click on create new source. As you can see, there are lots of sources here, over 1,000 sources. You can add Amazon products. See, if you click on Amazon, then you search by keyword, search for the product you want to add, then you select the category, as you can see. So the same thing for order. You can also post niche contents. That is, if you want to be a niche site, you can get contents that are niche specific. You can see these are different topics, over 300 topics that you can get content from to your site on complete autopilot. And at the end of the day, you can spin the content to make it look unique. Aside that, we also have ABC News, and on this feed alone we have over 150 sources. Can you see? From top news websites in the world. But you can just select and post content to your site. You can get the most viewed videos, the most read stories. These are for viral content. So you can select this, then you select your website entertainment category, Hollywood news, then you fetch full content, spin, auto updates. Once you're done, you click on save. you save this, the content posts to your site automatically. So now the source has been added as well, as you can see. So if we go to our website now, you see the content there. Can you see the contents are posted automatically? This is for banner. If you want to add banner there, it will appear on your site on complete autopilot. So that's how to add content to our sites. So the next thing is monetization, how to monetize our websites. Now you can monetize your site in different way. On our website you can add up to like 30 different banners on your website. So to create a new ad, you just click on create new ad. Now this is where you place your banner code or your affiliate link or whatever, your AdSense code. This is where you place it. Then you select the position where you want the advert to appear. You can see index, header, footer, sidebar, each post and all. So you just have to select where you want to post it and you click on save. So once you're done with the monetization, the next thing is to start getting traffic. And how do you get traffic? You go to the traffic page, you see the posts. These are the posts that we have on our sites, and these are the automated posts on our sites. Why the segments above here is for the manual posts, the one you created manually by yourself. So now once you want to get traffic, the major source of getting traffic here is either free traffic by posting to groups, pages, and your Facebook wall, or by advertising on Facebook. So whichever one you want to do, all you have to do is just to click on this FB share button. Once you click on the FB share button, it pops up like this. Can you see? So now if you want to generate free viral traffic, you can share it on your timeline, on your friend's timeline, in a group or in an event, and also on your page. And also if you want to generate traffic from Facebook ads, then you can make it a clickable post by sharing it on your page. So once you share it on your page, the next thing is to boost. As you can see, you select the page where you want to publish this post. The next thing is to boost the post on your page with $5, and you start getting traffic to your viral news sites. So that is how to get traffic and also monetize your viral websites. Thank you for watching.